In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create project timelines in Confluence. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start from a blank slate and end up with a clear, shareable timeline that keeps your team aligned. First, open Confluence and land on your workspace home. Make sure you're in the right space for your project so your timeline lives where your teammates expect to find it. If you work across multiple spaces, it's helpful to double check the space name in the header before you begin. Next, open the templates gallery. You can get there from the sidebar or from the create flow depending on your layout. Templates are a huge time saver because they provide structure and formatting that's already tuned for common workflows, including project planning. Once the gallery opens, take a moment to browse. You'll see categories like project management and planning. Browsing is great if you're exploring options, but if you know what you need, searching is faster. Use the search bar in the templates panel to narrow things down. This filters the gallery to matching templates, which is helpful when there are lots of choices available. Type project timeline into the search field. Spelling matters, so keep it simple and exact. You should see the project timeline template appear along with a brief description that confirms it's designed to visualize phases, milestones, and dates. When you find it, click Use. Confluence will open a new draft page pre-filled with sections and placeholder text tailored for a timeline. Think of this as your scaffold. The layout, headings, and example rows are there so you can focus on content, not formatting. Now it's time to make your edits. Replace the placeholder title with your project name, then customize the sections to match your phases, such as discovery, build, testing, and launch. Update the timeline rows with milestones, owners, and realistic dates. The date picker helps you avoid formatting mistakes, and consistent date ranges make the timeline easier to scan. Use concise, action-oriented milestone names like design approved or beta complete. If your team uses status labels, apply them to highlight at-risk or blocked items. Mentions are great for clarity. Tagging a teammate assigns visibility without leaving the page. You can also add context by linking related pages, requirement docs, or issue trackers so stakeholders can drill into details as needed. As you refine, aim for a balance of detail and readability. Enough information to guide decision-making, but not so much that the timeline becomes cluttered. And that's it. You've used the project timeline template, customized it for your work, and created a single source of truth your team can follow throughout the project.